Today we've got Sam here, and Sam's going to get some facial slimming injections done. Also, Sam's going to get a very subtle brow lift out towards the side with some anti-wrinkle injections. She's going to treat her forehead lines. Raise up for me, relax, and give me a big frown. We're also going to treat these frown lines here. So, the masseter muscle sits right at the back here, and it's a very popular treatment for women who want to create a more V-line structure to the lower part of the face, to reduce the symptoms of teeth grinding, but also to create more of a feminine lower face. Okay, I can feel the front border of the muscle right there. Relax for me. It's going to attach up here to the cheekbone, and then attach back here and down here to the jawline. We create 4 boxes and inject to the points of maximal muscle bulk. Let's do the other side. All right, so let's do a couple little injections here. So here's the first one, 1, 2, 3. Second one, 2 more. So it's really important with these injections not to go too far forward. If we go too far forward, we affect the muscle called the risorius that's coming from here across to the edge of the mouth. That's going to cause an asymmetrical smile. So by sticking backwards here, more towards the bulk of the muscle, we prevent that from happening. Next one. Good. Let's do 2 more. Lovely. And then the masseter injection's done. When you're injecting the forehead, one of the important considerations is how far out the muscle, called the frontalis muscle, attaches in here. If I inject too far towards the midline, what can happen is the brow can come up and cause what's called spocking, or a quizzical brow. It makes it look like you're always asking a question. So if we make sure we inject far enough out to this side, we prevent that from happening. A good way to test for that is holding down in the center. Can you raise your eyebrows up? And you can see where the pull of the muscle is around here. So by holding down in the center, you can see, raise your eyebrow up, you can see where the pull of the muscle is out towards the side here. That gives you an idea of how far out you need to inject to prevent that from happening. So we're finished with Sam's injections. We've done a nice little brow lift here, masseter slimming injections, forehead and frown lines. We can expect the results of the anti-wrinkle on the forehead, frown and brow lift to start showing effect in roughly 3 to 5 days. They're going to look awesome in a week. After 2 weeks, they're not going to get any better. And that's when we typically schedule a review appointment at 2 weeks. The masseter slimming itself, the cosmetic result will take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to show, but the actual teeth grinding will stop within 3 to 7 days.